Good morning, traders. It's Thursday, May 7th at 4:19 a.m. All right, two stocks for you today. Both had earnings. FTNT clearly in the IT infrastructure. That one took off. And then we've got FSLY, which had great earnings report, but it tanked. So that's why we follow the print. So let's go ahead and have a look at FTNT and look at this accumulation here. Starting back here, April 9th, we go back 30 days really to start to see clearly there's more prints. So we had this print here, we pulled back, and look at all of these prints in here, 100K, 300K, 100K, all of this that's here. And so we moved up, come back and test the print, moved up, test the print, move up. And here is a great entry point, May 4th. It's very close to the earnings, right? Because earnings was yesterday. And so we've got more prints sitting up here at the top above all of these prints here. And then we're up almost $12 today. The ATR on this is $2.91. So we're up quite a bit. Look at this, just taking right off there. So let's map this out on both sides to move up and a retracement trade. So on the left-hand side is my intraday 5 minutes with our pivots and cams. We're going to be bullish above 104. Let's get above here. We've gapped down just a little bit here. So bullish above 104, target 105, 106, 107, 107.50, 108, and 110. So with an ATR of $3, I mean, we're still giving it 9. That would get us back up. That would get us back up here to the initial thrust when earnings came out. We're going to be bearish below 100. Let's get below this R5. So we want this to be resistance, target 99, 98, 90. And we've got 97, 96, 95, 94, 76. Right here is the R3. So this is my 200 exponential, 200 simple, and this R3. So let's move on to FSLY, FSLY. Okay, so this one had earnings as well, apparently good earnings report, but let's look at the prints in the last month. We can see here on this one day, now this is a very quick reversal. This one day here, April 8th, over 300,000 between 33.84 and 33.96 in 12 cents. We got all of that there, and look what actually happened over the course of 3 days. We pulled all the way back down here to $23 level from 33. This was a 10-point move down, but look what actually happened. Got all of these prints here at the bottom, and so with this move down, moving up, testing the prints, that's bullish, testing the print, testing the print, testing the print, moving up, and then here increasing volume, breaking above this print here as well. Then we moved up, didn't tag these prints, and then all of a sudden we're back down testing this print. So we could actually come back to these prints down here. This will definitely be support, I would think, for a little bit. And if we break below that, then yeah, sure, we can move down some more. So let's go ahead and map this out. We're going to be bullish above 26. Let's get above this S3 that's here. Target 26.50, 27. Then we've got 28.60, and then 30.08 is S1. And when we get up here to this 27.86 level, and then the 28.60, that's my 200 exponential double pivot and cam. This might be, because it's bearish today, but this could be a huge resistance area here. On the downside, we're going to be bearish below 22.87. Now, that's a bit of a ways down, and so we have to break below these prints. This here is the post market up to 8 p.m. And then we've gapped up just a little bit. And if we can break below here, below these prints, then we continue on the downside. Target 22, 21.50, 20.47 is this S5 here. Then we've got 20, 19.50, 19.18, and I stopped at 17.50, which would be around here, but that's the same sort of thing. If it continues to fall with riding the 4 and the 8 exponential moving average, something like this, you can see there's the 4 exponential, the 8 exponential there. If it starts to turn down and we're riding that, then there's no reason to get out of your trade. All right, there you have it. Those are your 2 trade setups for today. So please like, share, subscribe, do all of that great stuff. And we'll see you tomorrow with all new trade setups. Happy trading, everyone. MobyTick has partnered with TrendSpider to bring real-time institutional trades to your charts. Click the link in the description below for more details.